Hello you wonderful people. Right, we have got TEMU unboxing. There's not much in here, it's only a little one, but this one's taken probably about 6 weeks. It took them a good 3 or 4 weeks to package it up, not even actually ship it. So a little bit annoyed with that, you know, but what can you do? It did arrive here and I did get a full refund for this. I have opened this because I had to take a couple of things out for things that have been ordered for other people, but it did come. Alright, that is, it had a rip like that in it, so not best pleased there. So probably not going to need that. So firstly, this is not for me. It's a lovely hairpiece for my stepdaughter again, did say. Let's see, what have we got in here? Let's have this first. So I saw this, I thought it was really cool because I've been watching the old films and that again, and the stuff that they've had on Netflix. This time at least it's in a bag. I don't think the last one was in a bag. It looks a bit small, to be quite honest, and it doesn't really look like the one in the picture, and it is a bit out of shape. Let's pop him on. So that's it's got a small head. It looks like I'm going to have to reshape this one again. Good way of reshaping a hat, a football. And you leave it on there for a little while. But it fits quite well, it's quite comfortable. Not sure the peak, because it doesn't look like the right, it looks like it's got quite a steep angle rather than being forward. I do prefer them with a more of a forward peak. Not peak, whatever that bit's called. This is the peak. Or normally, what do? They angle the peak a slightly different way. I can't remember which way, so then you don't have to have it like that to get the proper shape up here. But it wasn't that much. It's pretty damn comfortable. It's got the umbrella logo, Resident Evil, yeah. So if you want to watch the new film, it's really good. Quite true to the game. Right, I always got a little, didn't realise that, Umbrella Corporation on the side, both sides. I would have preferred the logo to be a little bit bigger, just a little bit bigger, say, sort of like that. Anyway, that is what that is. Right, so here we go. So I've been waiting for this because the one they sent me before was tiny. So this one actually looks a little bit better. It says it's a vegetable knife, but it wasn't sold as that. It was just sold as a knife, I think, but let's hope it's... let's see if we can cut. This is actually not too bad. It's sharpish when you get it past the nibby bit, but that's no good for sort of unboxing stuff really. You sort of need it on the tip. So bloody stupid packaging. Right, here we go. Let's close that one up. I have to watch this one because it's already out. Quite light, I must say. It's lighter than this one. It doesn't click into place. Is it sharp? It does feel sharp. Yeah, it's pretty damn sharp. I would have preferred it to click into place, but that'll do for me unboxing. So, oh, it's a bit dull there. It's okay. It's got some branding on it there. If we can see that just there. It's plastic handle, looks metal in the pictures. I've got a cat here looking, oh, it's the other cat. Come on in, bud. You alright? Come on. He's scared because he's a bit of a scaredy cat, aren't you? Go and eat the biscuits up. You're going to eat the other cat's biscuits. But he gets scared very easily, bless him. So we have some earbuds. I did buy these for my other half, but I ended up buying Galaxy Beans. They're not called Beans, they're Galaxy Live or whatever it was, so I gave them my other ones which were off Amazon, which were pretty good. But I did order these, but I ordered these before I bought the beans and stuff. If they'd come in time, you know, fair enough, it would have been all good. Now I'm not going to keep these because these should be pink. Which I do like pink, but not earbuds. Right, so these are called InPods 12, yeah, whatever the hell that means. It no indication of what colour they are on the box. So let's have a see. Can't even open them. Not a very good unboxing experience. Oh, they are pink and really crummy plastic on the outside there. So there is, I'm guessing there is charge. The LEDs just seem to be placed wherever. How would you open it? Right, so it's that way round. They do look pretty good. They're quite long stems, I must say. Very, very long stems. Yeah, that one doesn't see. Yeah, it does the same. Right, so yeah, they look okay. I'll see what she prefers, if she wants them or if she wants the ones I've given her. I'm guessing the ones I've given her are probably a little bit better. I've tested them and used them and they were quite good for Amazon cheapies, which only cost me £6 because I had a £10 off voucher. Right, and the last thing is, oh, this is going to be knackered, isn't it? This is meant to be one of those toy throwy like semi-drone things, and this has been through the bloody wars. Look at the state of that box. So it might be okay. I can see a plastic bit's already fallen off. Is it going to be worth getting a refund on this? Right, oh dear God. Unless that bit where, not sure where that bit's meant to go. It does look really, really crappy and cheap. So that bit is meant to go here somewhere. It's meant to be like a spinning top type thing. Does come with a micro USB. I can't remember what they are. But this is pretty damn bent on the top here. Because you're meant to, it's meant to be like, I'm meant to be a spinning top. You're meant to be able to throw this around. I'm not even sure that's the right sort of thing they've sent me there. You know, it was really cheap, but that's all the shafts bent, but it will still work, I guess. How do you even turn it on? Let's see if it's got any juice. There we go. Oh, it does do something. Okay. Alright. I've got his cat now. It works, but I'm guessing where that's bent, it's not the best thing. You meant to throw it as well. Oh, that's buggered off over there. Someone give me a sec, I'll go and get it. Just going round all by itself. It does sort of try to take off if you put it on the floor. Up this way, look. Ow, that hurts. So, you ready? Oh, no. Better on carpet. I don't know where it's gone now. Right. I guess it could be a bit of fun. Hang on, we've got some instructions here. It's a UFO apparently. Yeah, the cat's buggered off now. Come on, bud. Come on back in. It's gone now. Come on. Yeah, it tells you to throw it that way, but I can't see it working like that. Or you meant to take that bit off. Who knows? Who knows? Who bloody knows? But it's not going to last long at all. That really isn't the greatest. Oh yeah, what have I bought? But lucky I've seen them on there. They don't look anything like this. They actually look really well made. This looks really badly made. It's quite badly. Is it that bit that's just damaged? Is it that bit that's? So I think everything else looks straight. Oh, who knows? It's cheap, isn't it? So you get what you pay for. You get what you pay for. I think it's this plastic that's bent. Yeah, all the plastic's bent. Just because it was probably trampled on by, I wouldn't blame TEMU. I would say it's probably every jumping all over their stuff. I swear they just throw it in the back of the van and just walk over it. Literally everything I get from TEMU, or anything I get that comes from Every, is beaten to hell. and I don't understand why. No other packing companies, Amazon don't have issues like that, DPD don't, and I think there's probably another one, I can't remember who they are, but I've never had. They need to start employing people that actually look after the things that they deliver, because it's shocking. I mean, that bag had a rip in it, like as if someone's been poking their nose in there. But it's just something they need to address. Nothing else in there, I don't think. No, still not proper. The orange proper TEMU, but this one is actually branded TEMU this time. The other ones have just been plain grey packaging, so not too bad. Not too bad. A little bit disappointing on a couple of things, but like I say, with TEMU stuff, try not to buy the expensive stuff, because you'll probably be disappointed, because it probably won't be worth what you think. How it looks, the pictures will make it look fantastic, but in reality, like this lovely knife that I'm going to use for unboxing, I don't know how long that's going to last. It doesn't click up. With a plastic handle, I'm going to say that's going to probably be useless pretty quickly, because all this will loosen up, and it's not even a screw thing that can be tightened up. I'm not quite sure what it is, but if that body was metal, even wood, that'd be nice in wood, and a clicking action up there, because I wouldn't want to be chopping veg with that, because the blade moves like that, and you could end up, you know, if it catches, end up chopping your fingers off. So that's not the greatest thing, TEMU. My hat, yeah, it's a hat at the end of the day. It does look quite broad up here. We'll have to see. It is quite a small hat on the actual cap part. Not really my sort of style of hat. It's okay. I'm going to have to reshape it a little bit. Just pack your stuff properly and bugger off Every. Tell them to sod off. Get someone else to do your deliveries, because Every is horrendous. I trust Royal Mail with my deliveries more than I would Every. Just so you know, at least they're careful with them, and they don't come all beaten to hell like someone's been jumping around on them. Anyway, that is my video for this evening, because it is evening. It's a cool evening, and tomorrow and the next few days are meant to be quite hot. Can't see it myself, but I could be wrong. So I hope you have some good weather. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.